Digital greetings to my esteemed viewers from Bhopal, the city of lakes. My dream has turned to reality as I showcase my website www.lgabhopal.com to my mentees. The aim in my high-tech language garden abode is to foster confidence and enjoyment in learning English, the global language spoken by more than 300 million people in the world. My 32 years of teaching experience has shown that young learners have great difficulty in learning the grammar rules. Apparently, imitation and repetition of correct expressions are far more effective in learning spoken English than grammatical knowledge. Hence, in my language garden abode, lot of emphasis is on the repetition of correct sentence pattern. The aim is entirely practical, namely to teach the mechanism and skills of speaking and writing simple correct English. The main aim in my language garden abode is the removal of peculiar difficulties experienced by our youth in learning English. Through my language lab, I want to authenticate that technology can be harnessed to overcome the poverty and illiteracy from our country. This idea can turn to dust or magic depending on the talent of the mentor. Nature has gifted India with the second highest human resource, but it is a pity that science has not been able to provide employability to the teeming millions. The root cause being lack of communication skills. Words have incredible power. They can make people's heart soar or can make people's heart sink. Since English is a global language, lack of communication skills has wounded the spirit of so many youths of our country. Every child is a different flower and needs different kind of learning environment. Through natural environment, these beautiful flowers can be nurtured and groomed tenderly. Like a gardener, I want to give these non-native speakers of English the touch of healing balm to soothe, console, and strengthen their spoken and written English and overcome their inhibition and fear. Women are the real architect of society. The mission of girls' empowerment finds ample scope in my language garden abode, thus transforming the status of woman by educating the girl child. Thus, the basic goal is to empower every student and give them opportunity to discover their abilities, to realize his or her aspirations in life. The innovative and creative interactive sessions, activities, games, and exercises will enable the learner to excel in creative skills and lateral thinking. Hope you will avail the facility to empower the necessary skills in English to manage the challenges of life on your own. Wishing all a happy new year 2017 and a new venture in my language garden abode. I hope you will avail this facility. Thank you.